For today's manufacturers, digital transformation begins with Monitizer Discover. Monitizer Discover guarantees the integrity and robustness of your production data and helps you turn your data into value. An essential first step is to collect all your production data in a secure, centralized hub using the smart Nori Gate Edge device. Customized dashboards can easily be created using the user-friendly widget selector. Monitor critical KPIs, implement custom search queries, and visualize real-time and historical production data relevant to you. By design, Monitizer Discover makes it easier for busy factory personnel to do their jobs better. Apply thresholds, set alarms with notifications to relevant personnel, and generate reports intuitively and with ease. These value-enabling features make Monitizer Discover a state-of-the-art IIoT platform. And with Monitizer Discover's scalability, managers can monitor sites all around the world, paving the way for benchmarked production performance and overall equipment effectiveness. Built by manufacturing and AI experts, Monitizer Discover elevates your plant to AI readiness, enabling manufacturing excellence 4.0. Begin your digital journey with Monitizer and accomplish your smart factory ambitions today.